Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have another unboxing, and this particular item is actually coming from Dooney and Bourke's. So I haven't purchased anything from Dooney and Bourke's probably in 10 years. So this is my very first Dooney and Bourke's in such a long time, and I'm so excited. So I got the package here. I have already opened it, but I haven't removed it in the packaging. So this is the receipt that came with it, and this is the bag. So yeah, I don't know guys, but I am totally obsessed with this color lately. It could be the green, it could be emerald, but this one is actually in the color emerald. So let me open this. So I'm not sure. Okay, let me open it in this side right here. It seems like I'm just gonna rip the bag. Okay, wow, this one is very soft and supple. Okay, so this is just the information about the bag itself, and it says right here, it's a crossbody bag, and here's the bag. Oh my gosh, for so many years, I don't know why. I was on the website in the past few weeks, and I saw this. This is the Dooney and Bourke's Camden Mini Hobo Bag, and I saw this color. I just said, "Wow, this color is gorgeous." And also, this seems to look like it is bigger than what is being pictured on the website. It's very interesting, and oh my gosh, this one feels exactly from many years ago. I got my very first Dooney and Bourke's, I think when I was in high school, and I'm loving it. The leather for the Dooney and Bourke's is absolutely gorgeous, and that's what I remember when I was in high school. I think it was like I just love the leather. I got one in this really soft pebbled leather. It's in, I think it was in Dune color, or oh yeah, that color, nude color. So anyway, oh my gosh, this is a really small bag in a smaller side and compact, but it has weight to it. Imagine that. This is tiny, and it feels like it has really weight to it. And okay, so this one has the zip top closure. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I was looking at the zipper right there. It's in red. I was hoping that the interior is red. But anyway, so I have the strap right here. So I'm going to show you the strap in a little bit. Okay, this is where you hook up like your key, or it could be anything. I don't know why this one is a different color though. So anyway, this is how it looks. Oh wow. This is how it looks inside. It has those stripe fabric lining. And it has like, yeah, it has several pockets here. A flat pocket right here. A zip pocket. This is the tag right there. This is the logo. The patch creed, I guess. It's since 16, I don't know, I can't even read it. Oh my gosh, what year is this? I don't even remember. I don't know what year is the Dooney. I know Dooney has been around before I was born, I think. So yeah, the inside is actually beautiful. Yeah, it has really nice weight to it, and also it is very roomy as well. So here are some. Oh, this one has the code, and also the tag right there, Dooney. And wow, This is beautiful. It's just the leather that they use for their purses hasn't changed. In so many years, it hasn't changed. Look at that right here, guys. I mean, this is the new logo. As far as yeah, this is the older logo. I mean, I was thinking of the word Dooney and Bourke, Bourke's. I didn't really like that so much. I like this logo, guys. The signature logo plate, which is a duck right there. And also, this one has a vachetta trim, which is already like treated, which is also in brown as well. Wow, beautiful. Very nice. This is more likely a crossbody style as well. It's like a little mini hobo bag. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And also right here, it has the pocket in the front, which is, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, you could put cards in here, I guess. And, oh yeah, very, very soft. Wow, the leather is gorgeous. Look at those. This one is actually in a pebbled leather. Beautiful. Wow. Very nice. I love it. And also, this one has a gold hardware right here on the side as well. Absolutely pretty. This is the pull tab that has a gold hardware. The zipper has a gold hardware. This one has the leather pull tab. And surprisingly, I was just looking at the camera right now. I'm surprised that this one has feet. Oh my gosh. Can you believe that? I mean, I am totally a fan of a purse that has feet. Wow. So this one is original retails for $198 US. I know I got this one in sale. I am totally surprised that this one went on sale. Yes, I didn't think twice. I wanted this bag, and this, yeah, I am like, I don't know how all of a sudden this on the website, I mean, yeah, guys, with the social media, with Instagram and Facebook, sometimes a lot of these, a contemporary brand, luxury brand, it could be anything. If you keep like doing research about purses, it could be anything, and all of a sudden you got a notification about this purse. All of a sudden it shows in your feeds. This is how I found this. I found it on Facebook through the news. It's news feed, I think, and all of a sudden it just shows like I didn't even search for Dooney and Bourke, but yeah, all of a sudden I was just like looking at the website, and it said I am looking in particular for an emerald color or green, and surprisingly I found this, and it turns out to be that they have a promotion that day when I checked the website. So yeah, it's just stand on its own. I like that, even though it is like mushy, like flimsy. And yeah, you could tell that this one is made of a very high quality leather. I love it. Oh, the contrasting stitching right here on top. Yeah, this is the same purse, the same quality that I remember many years ago from Dooney and Bourke's. Gorgeous. Wow. I love the colors so much. So let's take a look at this strap. I love the fact that the strap is removable. Let's see if this one is adjustable. Oh, this one came in this vachetta color, and the strap is on the slimmer side as well. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very nice. This one has a gold hardware, more likely a light gold, and it's very, very shiny. And well, I love to dress up my purse, and I am pretty sure that, okay, let me just put this one, that I could use a lot of different straps on this beauty, guys. I love the color. It looks like a classic Dooney. I just love it. It's beautiful. It's adjustable as well. It has a few settings right there. I just love that it's just so simple. Just like that. I always love the Dooney and Bourke's leather, guys. They are beautiful. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. For some reason, I thank the feeds on my Facebook that finally, like, wow, I've never even have thought about Dooney, guys. I know that I'm a fan of Coach. Coach and Dooney and Bourke's are my very first. Those are my very first purses ever. So, and then and then that's how I started collecting Louis Vuitton for so many years as well. But I know that this is my very first Dooney and Coach. Those are two of my very first purses ever. So yeah, the quality, I know that the Dooney and Bourke's quality is amazing. Like, you could see the attention of details, the quality, the stitching right at the corner at a glance. They are gorgeous. Wow. Amazing. I just a lot of things that reminds me, like, was able to reminisce some of those moments back in the day, owning one of these. And I love it. Definitely. It lasted for so many years, guys. Many, many years. And yeah, during that time, I still find it's like very, very expensive though. But yeah, this time I think I got this around a little over $100, and I think it's beautiful. The color is amazing, and I don't know. I'm just drawn lately. I mean, red is my favorite color and green, but more likely I am looking for this particular color. Like, I'm more drawn into this green emerald color lately. And yeah, so anyway, let's see what fits on this beautiful, beautiful mini hobo bag. I think this one is pretty roomy though. I mean, this is on the compact side, but looking at it right now, I am already started to. I know I'm gonna wear this. I know I'm gonna love this. Absolutely. And yeah, I could change the strap. I could just dress this one up. Absolutely. And that's what I was thinking, that I could make her look even more stunning and beautiful because the strap is removable. That's actually a plus. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.